Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Nilan Cahya. You can call me Antika. NPM 224112110. I'm from the University of Technocrat Indonesia, majoring in S1 management. Here I will explain one of the materials in the marketing strategy management course. Listen and watch the video carefully. Evaluation of the company's external environment. 5 force. Porter 5 force. The theory is a method used to determine the strength of an industry based on external factor of the company. The theory emerged based on the industrial organization view, which is a management view. The companies pay close attention to external factors so that they gain competitive advantage. A management figure who supports this view is Michael Porter, who stated that competitive external factors so that they gain competitive advantage. A management figure who supports this view is Michael Porter, who states that the most important factor determining a company performance is the strength of the industry in competitions. Porter 5 forces as a tool for analyzing industrial competitions conditions is described as follows. 1. Threat of new entrants. The threat of competitors does not only come from old competitors. As the business grows, new competitors emerge. The entry of new players into the industry will make competitors tighter, which can ultimately lead to a decline in profits. This is related to how easy it is for new entrants to compete in similar business competitions. There are 6 main sources of barriers to entry for new entrants. 1. Economic of scale. 2. Product differentiations. 3. Capital requirements. 4. Cost loss that are not affected by companies. 5. Access to distribution channel. 6. Government policy. 2. Threats of substitute product or service. That's a good or service that can replace similar product. The existence of substitute product or service will limit the amount of potential profit obtained from an industry. The more attractive the price alternative offered by substitute product, the tighter the profit restrictions of an industry. So with the increasing variety of goods and service, the creation of substitute product also affect the income for the company. This is related to whether consumers have other choice for existing product. 3. Bargaining power of buyers. Buyer bargaining power in the industry plays a role in suppressing prices to go down, as well as providing offers in terms of increasing quality of better service and making competitors compete with as the other. This is related to the ability of consumer to be able to influence the selling price of goods so that they become lower. For bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers can use bargaining power against buyers in the industry by raising prices or lowering the quality of product or service purchased. Companies try to get the cheapest possible price with a high quality. If the company gets such supplier, then the company will get good competition compared to competitors. 5. Competition is in similar industry rival of competitors. Competition between competitors in the same industry in the center of competitive strength. Competitors in the case are industry that produce and sell similar products competing for the same market. Competition that occurs in similar industry usually occurs in terms of price, product quality, after sales service, all of which from their own value in the mind of customer. The more competitors, the harder the company will work to win competitions. Using Porter 5 forces to design business strategy. After understanding the 5 forces in Porter's 5 forces, the next step is to apply this analysis to design an effective business strategy. Here are some ways in which companies can use the result of Porter 5 force analysis to increase their competitiveness. 1. And addressing the threat of new entrants to protect their market position from new entrants. Companies can invest in strengthening brand loyalty, increasing economies of scale, and strengthening access to distribution channel. They can also focus on product innovation that are difficult for new competitors to imitate. 2. Addressing supply power to reduce dependence of supplier. Companies can seek alternative supplier, build long-term relationship with existing supplier, or even consider backward integration where the company acquires or builds its own plant for the raw material is net. 3. Managing buyer power. Companies can reduce buyer power by increasing product differentiation, offering loyalty program on creating products that have unique value that are difficult to find elsewhere in the addiction. Building strong relationship with customer can also help reduce pressure from buyers for dealing with the threat of substitute product. To deal with the threat of substitute product, companies can focus on innovation that improve the performance of their product or lower production costs so they can offer more competitive prices. In addition, understanding consumer needs and directing product development to meet needs that are not yet met by substitute a product can also be an effective strategy. 5. managing competition between companies. To company effectively in a competitive industry, companies need to continuously innovate, improve operational efficiency, and build strong differentiation. They may also consider making strategic alliances or acquisition to strengthen their position in the market. That's all from the explanation of one of the materials that I have explained. I apologize if there are any wrong words or action in the video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.